Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, nowadays there has been so many scams going on around the world. And one common thing I see in many countries, like whoever wants to set up an immigration business sets up a name, a board, and then start doing immigration business without a license. And they are fooling people like anything. So guys, it's very important that in case you are opting for paid services from a consultant, you need to find out if that guy is registered or licensed or not. When I say licensed, it has to be through ICCRC, a Canadian Law Society, or Chamber des or des Quebec organization. I mean to say, like, let's say somebody is operating in India. They don't need a business license from Indian government to operate this business. Instead, they need a license from Canadian side to operate this business. Same for other countries. So while it is very easy to enforce such rules here in Canada because we stay in the same country, if you are in a third country like let's say India or some other country, anybody can start doing this business just by just putting a hoarding and um, a computer and few office like setup and then do it. So how you would find out if the person you are dealing is an actual licensed professional or not? For that purpose, the government of Canada has given you this tool, find a professional. As you can see, I have opened. So what you can do, here is the public register. You can search for it, like whoever is the agent name, first name, last name, status is also important, like they should be active, they should not be in a suspension or revocation, country, province, region, like you can filter it by anything. And same thing comes for company name also. For example, if you search, you see their contact details also, so you can check the email and all that is over here, and you can ask, you need to communicate on that email because you need to verify, because this registry is open to anyone. So let's say there is a person whose name is John Smith, is a licensed immigration consultant. Anybody can assume his identity and say, okay, I am John Smith, I am a registered licensed consultant, and this is my RCIC number. How would you find it out if the person is correct or not? Go here, check the details, see the email account, see the phone number, contact on them and find out if this is the person, if you come across any doubt. But it's up to you, like how you want to proceed. But like if you read the website of IRCC, they have clearly said you don't need a professional, you can do it yourself if you can understand English or French. But even if you decide to hire a consultant, it's always recommended that you hire a registered consultant, because then they come under the law umbrella. If not, then you could be at a higher risk. So thanks for watching this, guys.